to install something called Composer. Go to getcomposer.org, and Composer is basically a package manager, but for PHP. So what we can do is navigate to download, and then what we need to do is download and run the composer-setup.exe. Once that downloads, go ahead and open it up. Say install for all users. Developer mode, we're not going to select that because we don't need it. And then here we want to select the PHP version that we're using with our WAMP server. If you guys don't know what version you are currently using, go down to your WAMP server, and what you want to do is go right here to where it says PHP, and it will say the version right here. And remember, before you can install Composer, you need to have PHP installed on your computer. But with our WAMP server installation, it already has that installed for us. So since we're using 8.3.6, that's where we want to go ahead and install it to. So we'll go ahead and hit next. And once we get here, if you have a proxy server, you can go ahead and enter it here. But in our case, we don't need to worry about that. So we'll click next, and now we can just hit install. And once this installs successfully, it'll say that it's completing Composer setup, and you can go ahead and click finish. Now what you need to do is go ahead and restart your computer at this point. Now that we installed Composer and restarted our computer, open up your code editor again, and also you want to open your WAMP server again. Once WAMP server is successfully started again, go ahead and open your locally hosted project. And again, we're working out of Kalman Web Design, so we'll open this one specifically. And then to make sure that Composer is successfully installed, what we want to do is open a terminal in our code editor, create a command prompt here, and simply say Composer. And if Composer is installed, what it will do is it will show you all of the Composer installation here, and it will show you the version that you also have installed. After that, tap here to see what happens next.